Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, I want to test these out for the camera lens. So I've made a video in the past, me testing lens protectors, and it came out that those lens protectors weren't from a good quality. So I thought about making a second video explaining the whole process, how it goes, where to find these, which one are the best, and all of that. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So as you may know, the iPhone 11, 12, and 13 have this camera bump, and that can get scratched. Even though you may have a case around your phone, this bump is just sticking out and therefore it can be scratched. I need to say that these lenses are made of sapphire, meaning that they are scratch resistant. So they are made of good quality material, meaning that it's very hard to get scratches on those lenses. So putting this lens protector on your lenses is just unnecessary. But there are some people who do take care of their belongings, and even more if you have an expensive phone like the iPhone. So I thought about to make a video explaining how this process goes, which one are the best, and all of that. I'll also leave a link that links to this particular lens protector in the comment section below if you want to take a look or want to order them. I do get a kickback, so if you don't want to use that link, no hard feelings, you can just go straight ahead to Amazon. But let's start with putting this lens protector on these lenses. So first of all, you need to take some vibra cloth like this one. You get also vibra cloths with these lens protectors, so you don't need to have one of your own. Just make sure it's all clean and dust free, obviously. Even though we can't make it like 100% dust free, we can do our best. And eventually when you've cleaned it, you just have to. So the idea is to put this lens protector on these lenses. It goes like this. It's very easy. And I think you just need to press on it once you have the feeling that's correctly placed. So I've now placed that correctly, and now you can just press on it to make sure it's glued all together. And just like that, the lens protector is attached to your lenses. So right out of the bat, I need to say that that bump gets even more bigger, but that shouldn't matter, because if you have a case around your phone, the case make the whole thing equal. So that bump will not be visible if you have a case around your phone. And let's see the important part actually. So this lens protector, they claim that it's made out of tempered glass, but I need to be honest with you guys, just out of the feeling of this lens protector, I can say that it's made out of plastic. Even though that this thing, this package says it's made out of ultra thin tempered glass, but it's just plastic over there. But still, we haven't yet looked to the camera and the quality of that camera, because more often than not, if you put lens protector on your lenses, the image and the video quality reduces because of an extra layer on your lenses. But what about this particular lens protector? How does that goes? And I must admit, it looks very good. That wasn't the case with my previous lens protector that I made a video of. If you haven't seen that video, it's right here. You can click on it. That wasn't the case with those lens protectors I've tested out in my previous video. So it seems like these lens protectors are good. So I will recommend them if you are someone who do care about the longevity of his belongings, especially when it comes to lenses, and especially when it comes to this bump, because they may get scratched even though these lenses are made out of sapphire. So the idea is that they are scratch resistant, but hey, you know how it goes in reality. If you have your keys or anything sharp near these lenses, they may get scratched, and a little protector on them doesn't harm, especially if that protector will not reduce the quality of your video. And that's the case with these lens protectors. So like I said, I'll leave a link in the comment section below. That was it. I just need to say one more thing about these lenses. You need to pick up the right size, because now I'm trying those with an iPhone 11 Pro Max. And the size of the lenses of the iPhone 11 Pro Max aren't the same as the size of the lenses of the 12 Pro Max. And that goes even double for the sizes of the lenses of the camera of the 13 Pro Max. So make sure to order the right size. I bet if you are ordering those, you can just click the size and select the iPhone that you have. Maybe the iPhone 11 or the 11 Pro or the 12 or the 12 Pro Max. Just pick the right iPhone and you'll get the right size. Send it to your address. And that's actually it for this video. I hope you've got something out of it. If you have any questions, like always, leave that in the comment section below. Also, before I go, I've got a lot of messages from you guys asking me how to remove these lens protectors. So if you are just done with it, how can you remove it? So this lens protector can be removed just like that. It's very easy to remove, and you can replace it. Maybe you haven't placed it the right way on the first time, so you can remove it and replace it. But if you have lens protectors that are just hard to get out of those lenses, try steam. And don't overuse that steam, because that's moisture and may get into your phone. Even the new iPhones are water resistant. But try steam and don't overuse it. And that way the glue will get detached from the lens protector and the camera, and you can just pull the lens protector out of the lens. So I hope that advice will be good. Just let me know in the comment section below what do you find of these lens protectors, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.